So they mentioned to us that from walking down the hill, there's a footpath like pretty much right across the road that will take us to the bay. So, oh, there's a little sign that says beach. Okay, so that was all of 45 seconds walk and we reached the beach. That's amazing. So we now go and just set up a little chair, and like we sell. Jay is in the back there. She's gonna take a bathe. I go and buy ducks to place our order for our food. So we came to the furthest right side of the bay. So I need to more walk into the center, go check ducks. Let's go do that. So you know, you're just walking on Castara Bay, just meeting up random talent and all these different things. So let him introduce himself.
Yeah man, don't know, say a puffy 1G life, you know. How we do it? Spin them black like police, killers in all blacks and them soul like a take our 1G life. Them not bad like we in a ramp with the thug, cause we carry plenty. Yeah.
I'm looking for my brother.
Hey.
I'm looking for my brother there.
I'm coming there.
Goodness. Everything is everything. We're gonna mash up some of dog's food because you know it's made with love.
Amount because I'm not gonna eat all of this. So this is so much food.
So you know after this is sleep time, right?
I know we are not red snapper, we are grouper, we are dolphin,
right.
And we are Cavalli.
And you are hard wine.
We are drinking hard, of course. Yes.
Hard wine that we talk about.
Get to Hennessy.
Yes.
The fellas going well again? Plymouth?
Yeah.
Right.
Fisherman Fete today.
Fisherman Fete.
Fisherman
Boat
Fete.
race. I know them boat just teaming.
Fisherman
Boat
Fete.
race.
I know them both just steaming.
It was at this point Chris realized he wanted to race his drone against the villagers' speedboat. So let's see how the thing does go. You just walk in to go and check some of your partners, brother and ducks. And then men challenging you, drone wars. I went racing against some of them boats and them. I mean, I think I beat them, I don't know. But all in all, it was real fun, real vibes. Scoops of happiness.
So guys, when you come to Castara Beach, right by the car park, right after ducks, you come visit, ask for Safia. This is the ice cream joint. You must get its fix.
Scoops of happiness. It's really happiness.